I will never forget this day about 2 years ago because it was one of the biggest panic attacks that I've ever had. And I think you'll understand why as this story unfolds. So it's about 8 o'clock at night. I'm at home with the family. I think we had just finished dinner and, relaxing, talking, and I get a text message from a friend of mine. And I'm going to read verbatim from the text message. Is your office on fire? Question mark, exclamation point. Immediately I text back, WTF. We're at the restaurant next to your office. There are 3 fire trucks and an ambulance at your office. And now I am immediately like, oh my God. What? Oh my God. All the equipment, the computers, nobody's there, but the files, oh my gosh. I'm like seriously panicking. And then my first instinct is like get in the car and drive there as if I was going to be able to do anything or save anything if there was a huge fire with 3 fire trucks there. Of course, I would be useless at that point and wouldn't even be allowed to get close to it. But it all turns out, thankfully, that there was no fire. Nobody was hurt. There's a music venue right around the corner from my office. And there had been some incident or somebody had fainted or something. So there was a response. Everything turned out okay. There was no fire. But for about 10 minutes until somebody else had texted me back and confirmed what was going on, again, I had all of this panic and thoughts through my mind. Now, why do I share this story with you? Other than that, it's a colorful story. I want to talk about insurance. See, had there been a fire, thankfully, I know that I have smoke alarms. So the odds of somebody not knowing about it and being stuck, are small. I have fire extinguishers in the building. I have sprinklers in the building. And I have insurance on the building and on my business and property. And that insurance, while it certainly doesn't mean that the actual fire wouldn't have a tremendous impact and loss. It means that in the end, God forbid something had happened, it would have been okay. I would have been reimbursed. I would have been able to fix things, or maybe even sprinklers, smoke detector, etc., would have prevented a much larger problem, kind of nipped it in the bud. And what does this have to do with trademarks? You're thinking to yourself. Well, trademark registration, believe it or not, is just like that insurance and that smoke detector and fire extinguisher for your brand. You see, trademark registration helps prevent problems with your brand because you're in the USPTO's database. I've talked about that a lot. The database works 24/7, 365. And not only are potential brand owners doing searches for new names, the examiners at the USPTO are doing searches for conflicts when they're reviewing other people's applications. So just appearing in the database is giving you insurance. And in the event that someone copies your brand or there is litigation related to your trademark or brand, having that registration makes a tremendous difference. It gives you presumptions in court. It gives you ability to get additional damages in courts. It generally is going to make your case stronger and easier and quicker to resolve if somebody copies your brand name. So for all of these reasons, your trademark registration at the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office acts as double insurance for your brand. And I say double because it acts to help prevent accidents or occurrences from happening, and it acts in the event that those things do occur. It makes them easier and better outcomes to resolve them. That's called preventive and contingent insurance. So this is one of the many reasons and benefits of trademark registration at the USPTO. If you'd like to talk about registering your brand, drop a comment, reach out to me, Erik at erikpelton.com, or connect with me on social media or at ericpelton.com anytime.